Welcome back and welcome to another Do Homework with Me Geometry. Before we get started, here is our Bible verse from 1 John chapter 1, 2. The life appeared, we have seen it and testified to it. Thank you, Heavenly Father. Thank you for sending Jesus into this world. And thank you for Jesus paid it all. Alright, now let us look at these two questions, question 5 and question 6. I will demonstrate how you should solve it and then go ahead and do your homework practice. Each pair of the figure, they're solid, they're similar. In order to know how they're similar solids, please refer to the previous video. And then come back, we can continue read, use the information given to find the scale factor of the figure on the left to the figure on the right. Okay, so you see the answer keys already. It's okay. As we said earlier, you need to try your best first. Then come here, look at the key. The key is just a key. We want to see the steps. And this is the left one. This is the right one. And it is given to us, this is a 396, this is a 275, it's a centimeter squared, okay? And remember, when you find the scale factor is not squared, which means this is what we can do. We're going to use the surface area of the first one over the surface area of the second one, which is 396 over 275. So step 1, you write down like this. Okay? Step 2, you look at a 396 over 275. You need to do one step, simplify it. It might take you a little bit of time. It's okay. Be patient. Love is patient. Okay? Be patient with yourself. So this is 11 times 36. And this is 11 times 25. Remember in class I shared with you, how do we do this? You use the rule of divisibility rule. Okay? If you forgot it, you can check it online and search it, or you can come to the classroom ask me. Okay? Alright. So that's how we find it, and then we can simplify. And now, you have 36 to 25. Remember, this is not your scale factor yet, because it's squared, so you need to take the square root. After you take the square root, it's 6 to 5. You write it, you can write down 6 to 5, 6 to 5, okay, slanted. You can also write down 6 on the top, 5 at the bottom. Alright? Don't leave because I'm going to show you 6. Okay, I'm so glad you're still here. Remember, when you try to solve a problem like this, you're going to use the surface area of the first one here. The first one is on the left, and the second one is right. Over the second one, then you're going to write down 7 over 175. A friendly reminder we talk about in class, and do not use the decimal. I really would love for you to use this form, okay? This is a beautiful form. Alright, although some books, some tutorials, they use the decimal, and in this practice, we use the ratio form. And that's step 1. Step 2, simplify. 7 is only 1 times 7. Okay, by divisibility rule, and also think about your prime numbers. And then if this has a 7, you're going to think about 175. Could 175 be 7 times a number? Yes, it's 7 times 25, okay? Alright. And then step 3, you got 1 over 25. You need to take the square root. You have 1 over 5, and you can write down 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5, and 1, 2, 5. Usually this is not really a good one. It's a little bit confusing. People might think it's a fraction. So another beautiful way to write down is this. Write down our beautiful English language too. Okay, all right. That's it. I hope you learned a lot. Happy learning.